Hey. Weirdo. Okay, Timothy. Magneto, okay? Yeah, he's flipping around with Magneto and his kitty. Oh, he doesn't care. You dropped your Magneto.
Oh, that's cool. Yours has a like a spotlight.
Mhm.
Mine goes into kids video.
Okay.
What the hell? Are you recording that?
Yes. Hi, Smokey.
Yeah, it's bright, Daniel.
You want the flash to go away, Mr. Kiki? What about your Magneto? Kick that X-Men. Knock him on the floor.
Are you gonna put that on